How can I make bulk changes to my subscribers' profile fields? LISTSERV Maestro contains many tools that make it easy for you to keep your subscriber database up to date. To start, click on Subscriber Warehouse in the main menu and select the list or list group that you want to work with. To change the profile field data of an individual subscriber, simply right-click on the subscriber and choose Edit. You can then make whatever modifications that you need. If the subscriber is subscribed to more than one list under a list group, the modification will be made for all of them. This also highlights the benefit of list groups and why you should always opt to create list groups over standalone lists, even if you only have one list to start. With list groups, the profile fields can be shared among multiple lists and you only need to make the changes in one location. Standalone lists, on the other hand, have no connection with one another, so you would need to make edits for each list that the person is subscribed to. To make bulk changes for multiple subscribers, the process is equally simple. In this example, let's say that the School of Engineering is being reorganized, and the mechanical and industrial engineering departments will merge under a new name called Mechanical and Industrial Engineering. If you recall from a previous tutorial, we created a lookup table for the engineering majors that allows subscribers to select their majors from a simple pull-down menu. The first thing that we should do is to update the lookup table with this new name. Click on Engineering Major under Lookup Tables and click the Edit link next to Mechanical Engineering. Enter the new name, followed by OK. You can then go to your list of subscribers and sort them by their majors. Then click on the first entry for Industrial Engineering, hold down the Shift key and click on the last entry. All of the subscribers will be highlighted. Then right-click and select Modify. You will now see how many subscribers you are modifying. Select the profile field that you want to modify from the pull-down menu and select the new value, followed by OK. All of the subscribers that you select will now have the updated value. After this is done, you can go back to the lookup table and remove the old unused entry from the list. Thank you for watching.